Colorado story making national news today. Former Mesa County Clerk Tina Peters sentenced to 9 years of incarceration for her role in an election security breach back in 2021.
Fox 31 political reporter Gabrielle Franklin is joining us now to break down that sentencing and reaction from election officials who were outside of that courthouse. Gabrielle.
Yeah, Erica, the judge made it clear today he wanted today's sentencing to be an example of what happens when people in trusted positions violate elections laws. And as a result, Tina Peters is set to do some hard time.
Your lies are well documented, and these convictions are serious.
A judge sentenced Tina Peters to 8.5 years in prison and half a year in jail Thursday. The sentencing comes after jurors found her guilty of allowing a man with unauthorized access into Mesa County's secured election system back in August. The judge made it clear today he wanted the sentencing to serve as a deterrent for comparable behavior in the future.
This is nonsense. Our system of government can't function when people in government think that somehow, some way, the power they've been given is absolute in all respects. And that's where you fell.
Before the judge handed down the sentence, Peters pleaded for probation instead of prison.
But I'm not a criminal, and I don't deserve to go into a prison where other people have committed heinous crimes.
Leaders in Colorado beg to differ. Secretary of State Jena Griswold saying justice was served.
It's important that when people break the law and breach the public trust, especially in elected office and as an elections official, that they face accountability. With that said, this was the nation's first public insider threat. My office swiftly took action, but then we took a series of steps afterwards to tighten up our laws.
Attorney General Phil Weiser saying in a statement, today's sentencing is a warning to others that they will face consequences if they attempt to illegally tamper with our voting processes or election systems. My office will continue to protect our elections and the freedom to vote.
And the judge did tell Tina Peters today that her sentence could likely be shortened if she exhibits good behavior during her prison stay. There's also an option for her to appeal this sentencing, but we will, of course, keep an eye on it and see how it all plays out. But for now, live in Denver, Gabrielle Franklin, Fox 31.
All right, Gabrielle, thank you.